So in order to receive the voodoo spirits, your family spirits into your houses, you have to go through your dead ancestors, okay? Because, and fun fact is, Bosu is a bull spirit. So you have to make him docile. And now when all is said is done, you have to get to learn about the law of your heads better, okay? Some people just want their protection, and some people just want to have success in their lives, and some people just they do it so that they can become Huga or a Mambo, Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about on how to receive voodoo spirits or Loas into your house, or how to welcome voodoo spirits or Loas into your house. The voodoo spirits that we are going to talk about are the Loas of your head, okay, or spirits inherited from your family. And before we go further into the video, I would like to thank all of you who always watch my videos, who subscribe to my channel, always like my videos, always leaving comments. And to those who haven't, what are you waiting for? Okay, so this is a way to support me into what I'm doing. Okay, so you can leave any type of comments like questions, opinions, suggestions, or words to encourage me. We'll receive them all. Okay, thank you again. So why do people need to welcome their family spirits, their voodoo spirits, into their house? Remember that I told you voodoo doesn't force itself upon anybody, okay? So your family spirits, your voodoo spirits, they're not going to force themselves upon you, okay? So you have to be willingly welcome them into your life in order that they can manifest their power into your life, okay? So they may be around, they may be always giving you signs, but they're not going to manifest properly into your lives if you don't give them like the power to do so. Now, the reasons why people welcome the Loas into their houses may differ from people to other people. Some people just want their protection, and some people just want to have success in their lives, and some people just they do it so that they can become Huga or a Mambo, voodoo priest. And others do it so that they could be a vessel for the spirits whenever they want to come down, because that doesn't happen to just anybody. And a lot of people like the idea of getting possessed with voodoo spirits, okay? So you must be lucky if that happens to you. So yeah, there are a lot of reasons why people want to do it. In different parts of Haiti, voodoo practices may slightly differ, so this process may be different from places to places, but it's just gonna be the same result, okay? And informations that I give you in my videos are informations that are mostly acceptable in the voodoo community, okay? So I take information from my personal experiences and from Huga that I know, especially Katel Zaro, who is a famous Huga in New York, and he has a YouTube channel too, but in his YouTube channel he only posts like ceremony stuff, so you can check him if you want to. So his name is Katel Zaro. So in order to receive the voodoo spirits, your family spirits into your houses, you have to go through your dead ancestors, okay? Because they are the ones that are supposed to give you the access to the Loas of your family. So we honor our dead ancestors a lot in voodoo, okay? So remember that I told you the voodoo belief is that when someone died, they don't just die, okay? So they become spirits, and you may get into contact with those spirits if you want to. That happens a lot in Haiti, okay? It's a common thing in Haiti, like when someone have like their family members who passed away, they may get into contacts with them with voodoo priest. priest. Okay, so they go to a voodoo priest and they get in contact with those family members who passed away. So the first step is to do a voodoo dance ceremony for your dead ancestors on a Monday. On that same day, you're gonna need like a voodoo priest to go to the cemetery with you to do something called libera. So basically you're just going to your family tomb because that is where the connection is stronger. So you go going there to summon them, okay, to summon your dead ancestors so that they could come to your voodoo dance ceremony that you're doing at your own house. So basically for the ceremony, the music is going to be like in a banda rhythm, okay, because it's a rhythm for the dead or for the GDV. And then like you will do like animal sacrifices, and you will do like a big table full of food and drinks, for the GDV or your dead ancestors to eat when they come to possess people, okay? And you will need a voodoo priest to do like a devotion for you during the ceremony. And on Tuesday, you're gonna do like a voodoo dance ceremony for the Loas of your dead ancestors. So you're gonna do like mostly the same thing, okay, but different tables, okay? You're gonna do like a table for the Loa and another one for the Petro Loa, okay, because you're not the same Loa, okay? So you're gonna have like to treat them different and not mix the tables, okay? Or if for even better, you can do like for the Petro division of Loa, you do the voodoo dance ceremony on a Tuesday, and for the Rada divisions of Loa, you do their voodoo dance ceremony on a Thursday. So you may have to check other videos that I did about the divisions of Loa so that you can understand why you need to treat the Petro divisions of Loa and the Rada divisions of Loa differently. And also check the videos that I did about voodoo ritual structure so that you can understand on how to do the rituals, because there's a process. You have to start greeting Papa Legba and go to Marasa and then on, and then that's it. Now to certify what you did was successful, the Loa, they may come and speak to you in your dreams, and in the morning the Loa may possess you and do something that is called limeshande. And if that doesn't happen, you may go to a voodoo priest and he will be able to testify if what you did was successful, and you may be able to help you do the lime chandel. The lime chandel is very simple, okay? It's just a light and candle, okay? A light and candle means a lot, in voodoo. So I will give more details about this in another video. And now when all is said is done, you have to get to learn about the Loa of your heads better, okay? You have to learn how to deal with them, their principles, their nature. And you have to set dates to do like specific voodoo dance ceremony for them. And the most important thing is you have to do like an orgatoire in your house for them. An orgatoire is basically like a specific place that you have, sacred, okay? You have specially for them, okay? It may be like on a little table or something like that. And fun fact is, Bosu is a bull spirit, so you have to make him docile or kind of pet him if you want to receive him into your house, okay, so that you can be able to deal with him. So you're gonna need like a voodoo priest to do that for you. So this is it, guys. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching my videos, okay? If you haven't subscribed yet, so please do that right now, and don't forget to like my videos, leave a comment, and share my videos, okay? And see you in another video. Take care of yourself. Pardonnez